Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the L'Oreal Steampod again. If you haven't watched my first unboxing slash demo slash review, I'm gonna put it over here. But today we are talking about the products that you can use with your Steampod. This is the Steampod Steam Activated Milk. This is for fine hair because I wasn't blessed with thick hair, unfortunately. And this is the serum. I'm going to be styling from dry, and this is what it looks like after. I have my Steampod over here, and I'm excited to show you how I style my hair from curly to this luminous, smooth finish with the steam activated product. So if you want to see it, you know what to do. Keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're sitting on the floor. This is where I normally do my hair. And you know what? I thought, why am I gonna sit somewhere that I normally don't sit to do my hair? So here we are on the floor. This is where I normally take my time to get rid of these curls. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to be using the Steampod activated product. So I have the Steampod activated milk and the serum. I've been using these two for a good month now, and I really like the combination. I like to go in with the milk first and then finish it off with the serum. You can use it on damp hair, but I just like to skip the blow dry process. It just saves me time. I like to just wash it, let it dry naturally, and go straight in with the Steampod. It's just quicker. And now that I'm at home, I don't necessarily need that extremely brushed hairstyle. I just want something that looks natural and pretty, and just going in with the Steampod does that for me. So first thing I do is I get a little bit of this product. I'm working section by section, so I don't need a whole lot. And then I just apply on my hair. This is dry hair, but you could do it on damp hair. It works well for me. So here we have it. It smells delicious. It smells like coconutty and holiday-y. It just makes me want to go away, if you know what I mean. And obviously I forgot to turn my Steampod, so I'm gonna do that now. Once you turn it on, it makes this steamy noise, which means it's heating up. And if you haven't watched my full review on the Steampod, it's a demo. Well, it's an unboxing demo review kind of thing, so I'm gonna put it over here so you can check that out. Today I'm gonna be focusing more on the steam activated milk and serum, so it's more like styling products with the Steampod. But if you want to know all about the Steampod over here, go there, check it out, and then come back. And you might ask if you can use the serum and the milk together. You totally can. You could just get a little bit of the product mixed with the serum, apply it and style it as you would like. But I personally prefer applying the milk, and then once I'm all finished, I apply the serum just to give that salon finish vibe, but they work well together as well. Totally up to you. Let's go in with the Steampod. I'm not gonna lie, I always have to check the directions of this. It is something I have to pay attention to here and there. And the Steampod on its own leaves my hair feeling super smooth, but with the steam activated milk, it just takes it to an extra level of smooth. The ends are so soft. Obviously I have colored hair, so you know the ends get poor little girls, they suffer a little, but it just gives this, it's just so smooth. It's like butter. It feels really nice, and it has the added benefit of protecting your hair from the heat. So I'm loving the result of the milk. I'll try and show you as I go. A question that I got quite a bit on my previous video is if it's difficult to get to the roots. You know what? I personally don't think so. My hair is curly, but it's not extremely curly, so it gets it okay. You can't see it here because of my ear, but I'll show you once I get up here close up, so you can see how well it gets to the root. And here's the first section of hair. Can you guys See how smooth and straight it looks. I like to give that little turn around the ends, which most straighteners can't really do for me. It will do it for like the moment when I'm using the straightener, but then it just drops in. With this one, let me show you, it's just so easy because you just, I don't know, it's just the way it's made, the movement just works, and you can hold it a little bit and then you get that little turn. I'm gonna do over here as well. And it looks really, really smooth, really healthy, and me like it. Okay, round 2. I want to show you this one closer so you can really see the root. Oh, freaking hell, forgot to put the product. So let's get a fair amount of the, milk. Work it around the hair. I seriously can't get over how lovely it smells. Got lost in it a little bit. Okay. And then we get a section of hair like that. Make sure that the arrows are facing down.
Here we go. I tend to always do 2, just to get extremely straight, and then I just finish the ends.
Let's get a bit more hair. I also, one thing that I love about the straightener is that I never burn myself. I think it's because of the space. I don't know if you can see it. There's like quite a nice space between the plates, and I seriously have never got myself burnt, which is a first with straighteners for me. Second section of hair. I hope you can see how smooth it all looks. It feels so nice to just kind of run your fingers through the hair. I normally have this thing where it's kind of embarrassing, where I'll run my fingers through my hair and then I'll look down, like all the split ends are just taking over my lap, which doesn't happen when I style it with the Steampod, and that's great. Probably even less when I use the steam activated products, and that's a huge thumbs up for me. On to the third section of hair. I really like that it's fairly quick to style my hair with the Steampod as well. It normally takes me a good 45 minutes to get it. Okay, 45 is a bit of an exaggeration, but a good 35 minutes to style it with a normal straightener. This one, it probably takes me max 20, if that, so that's great as well. I'm going to get a little bit more of the milk. Work it. Especially my ends. They are the ones that need it the most. And repeat the process. bit of hair. I don't really apply the product on my roots. I only apply on the ends. I just feel like it gives it a less heavy finish. I feel like as much as this is amazing for making it smooth, my hair being curly and having a lot of product around the roots, it wouldn't last me as long as it would if I had no product really close to my roots. So just around my ends to make sure that it doesn't give a heavy finish. Oh my god, this is the look. What am I feeling today? Mid parting, side. Let's do mid. This is a vibe, you guys. Should I just go out like this? And for my root, what I do is, oops, I get the hair, I place it really close to the root, and I kind of go 1, 2, go back 1, 2, go back 1, 2, and then work the whole hair. Same with these areas. I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, to then work the whole hair. Same thing here. And in case that doesn't work for you, maybe try to bring it front. Then it should definitely get your root well. But it really depends on your hair. You might need to do more or less depending how curly it is. And then the front bit is always the more tricky one. You do have to go over a few times. I'm about to apply the serum. I've only used the milk for fine hair, and now I'm just gonna get a little bit of the concentrated serum like that, and then I'll only apply my ends because my hair gets oily really easily and I want it to last as long as possible. Ah, smells so good as well. Healthy, straight hair from dry. I didn't have it damp or anything. It was dry AF. I don't know if you guys remember. I mean, how could you forget that image of me with curly hair? But if you don't remember, here is a before. Now that I'm done styling my hair, I just wanted to give you a few pointers about the products. The Steam Activated Milk, 2-in-1, smoothing and replenishing, herbal keratin, and the one I've been using is for fine hair. Haven't been blessed with thick hair, unfortunately. You know, maybe one day, who knows. And I love this goodie because it obviously protects the hair to up to 210 degrees. I don't normally go over 200 on the Steampod anyways, so this is perfect for me. It smells like a dream. It smells like holidays and pina coladas and all things coconutty. I don't know, I just have a coconut vibe with this product, and I love this on its own, but also with the serum together. Amazing. It could be used on damp hair. I use it on dry most of the times just because I'm lazy and I like to fast track the whole blow dry situation, but I have tried it with damp hair before blow drying it as well, and wow, it gives the blow dry a whole new level. Like it does give that whole salon finished vibe. So it's great for obviously using it with your Steampod, but also a great option just to use it with your normal hair dryer. And for the serum, like I said, you can obviously use it with the milk, but I prefer using it on its own at the end, just on my ends, to give it an even more healthy, smooth look. It also smells delicious. Let me get it. It's the same scent, tropical vibes all over. I've been loving using these together. It just gives my hair a very, very healthy finish. Like I said, the Steampod does give you a better finish than most straighteners anyways. It doesn't make it look dry. It gives you that healthy look, and it's just less damage, which is definitely what I need with so much color on my hair. Now obviously it has grown because we don't have hairdressers available in a week, so it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo slash review. Do let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. But until next time, bye.